Here's a quick little video for the Keurig K-Cup, the little frother milk cup. Pull this little tab out right here. You'll get that loose handle that wiggles around a lot. There's actually just a little Phillips head screw inside there, and then you can tighten it up. I'll show you here real quick. What I used is just a little knife or something. You basically try to stick it in the edge of that line, and then it pulls it out enough to where you can just pull this end cap off, and down inside there you go, you can see the little Phillips head. Once you tighten that up, there is no more loose handle. It is solid. It doesn't shake anymore. It was kind of driving me nuts. I kept thinking the handle was going to fall off when she used it, but so now it's nice and tight. Got the little magnetic mixer inside there, but just wanted to make that quick video and kind of show people, instead of having to buy a whole new cup if the handle starts to get real loose and flimsy, just tighten that little stainless steel screw up in there and it's all done. Push the little cap back on there so that's all, pressed firm inside there, and then it is not loose at any which way. Super easy to do. Took me like 2 minutes, if that. So just wanted to put that out there because I just noticed this handle gets really loose after a little while. Have a good day.